Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to make a smooth slow motion video on your CapCut. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And as an additional information, this process also works for iOS devices. So if you're using an iOS device or a different device, don't worry because the process is the same. So without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you need to do is to simply go to your CapCut app, and then after going into your CapCut app, tap onto your new project and then just select the video that you want to edit. So just like that. So just import your video in here, and after importing, just tap onto your video, and then you will be able to see on this bottom right here that says split speed animation. So what we are going to do is to tap onto that speed option and then go ahead and tap onto normal, and you can now change the speed that you want, or change or make the video slower. So I'm going to set it to 0.5, so you can set it on whatever you want. And then this on this part right here that says make it smoother, after you adjust it, this will lighten up. So after this lighten up, you can go ahead and tap onto that, and you can select faster process, or you can select better quality if your phone is quite fast. So I'm going to tap onto better quality, and after that, just check if you're already satisfied with your video. And if you are, you can go ahead and tap onto the check button and just wait for the video to process, and just wait for it to be ready to be downloaded. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.